Hi, sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, my name is Felicia, and thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video, I am going to be continuing my fall decorating series, and this is going to be part 6. So join me as I show you how to decorate 2-tiered trays. So let's get started.
We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah.
Here I'm just giving you a quick look at the items that I have gathered to create my first tier tray. I have a mixture of items from this white truck, miniature white houses, and all different types of pumpkins and these miniature haystacks. So this is the tiered tray that we're going to be decorating together, and it is a 2-tiered tray. I'm starting with my 2 white miniature houses. I'm going to place a house on each tier. So now I'm just adding my hay bales to each tier of this tray. And I am going to be working from the top and the bottom of the tiered tray this time around. Usually I just start with the top and work my way down, but I'm going to be going up and down on this tiered tray. Now I'm adding in these pumpkins. If you have seen my past fall shopping hauls, you will know that these adorable little pumpkins came from Target. I am using a mixture of new and old items on this tiered tray. And this is a new item here, these green apple slices here. They also came from the Target dollar spot. And I'm so happy that they were green because they fit right into my color scheme on this tiered tray. Now this was a recent purchase from Hobby Lobby, this miniature mug. They came in 2 styles, but I chose to use the thankful one. And I think the other option was blessed, extremely blessed or something like that. Those miniature spoons also came from Hobby Lobby this year as well. So now I'm going to start adding some additional pumpkins onto this tiered tray. And as you can see so far, my color palette for this tiered tray is orange, whites, greens, and tans. Now this tiered tray is a staple piece in my kitchen. I always decorate it out seasonally. And it's not a new tiered tray, but it has held up well. And I actually purchased it maybe about 2-3 years ago from TJ Maxx. I decided to go ahead and add some of this sisal onto this tiered tray to give it more visual interest and to make it really pop for the fall season. So now I am going to take these leaves from this maple garland and I'm going to add them to this tray. So let's decorate tier tray number 2. Now this particular tier tray is also considered a 2-tier tray. It's very slender and is flat on the back. And it was purchased from the Target dollar spot as well, maybe 1 or 2 years ago. And I'm going to show you quickly how to decorate this tier tray. So this is a quick look at all the items that I'm going to be using to decorate this tiered tray, with the exception of that little miniature truck. So I'm going to use this plate stand and I'm going to place it on the top tier here. And I'm going to add my owl onto this plate stand. let's decorate this side of my kitchen before I give you the final reveal of the first tier tray. As you can see, I'm starting here with a small white cutting board. And on this side of my kitchen, this is where I house my tiered tray. And also I put all my oven mittens on this side. I'm also adding in my utensil holder that houses my collection of wooden spoons and rolling pin. And I'm also going to add in this spatula for a pop of color and visual interest. So I'm also adding these black stainless steel hearth and hand measuring cups. So for a final touch, I'm just adding 3 white salad plates and this adorable little sugar bowl that was a new purchase from the Target Dollar Spot for only $3. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new and you'd like to become a part of the Felicia by the Season family, just click that subscribe button and welcome new friend to this family. Until the next video, happy decorating. Bye guys.